what can you tell us about the cool new things you guys showcased at SummerFest, specifically the 034 3.0 TMPI kit, B8 and B9 engine builds as well?
Yep.
I was cooking the whole time, so I didn't really see.
You didn't
what
get to
was
show
on
off a lot.
display,
Yeah, we had some of our B9 built motor stuff was on display. So we had a fully built motor out in our service area with some lights shining up underneath, so you can actually see the bottom of the pistons. B8 MPI parts, I believe those are on display in the hardware engineering room. As far as some rails, some other components to make it all work. We had a couple of the fueling controllers out, just kind of showing off some of the new parts coming down the pipeline. Let's see, we get some information coming here on this. So the B9 built engine, it was basically our bottom end kit. Powder rods had our pistons in it. The head studs, which obviously you couldn't see.
M11 head studs, which is a 1 mil upgrade from stock.
Yep. Had our valve train in it. So yeah, all the goodies.
Yeah. Did you mention the O-ringing we're doing?
No, I didn't. We're
really nice.
We've
O-ringing in the block to put extra clamping pressure around the combustion chamber.
Yeah. So O-ringing the block is literally it's not a traditional O-ring like you'd think, like a rubber, gasket or O-ring, but it's a metal ring that gets
stainless steel.
Dropped into the sealing surface right around the border of the cylinder, and its intent is to basically give you an extra amount of sealed pressure up into the cylinder head gasket.
Yeah, and then you mentioned MPI and stuff.
Yeah, the MPI stuff was all out on display. We've got a few guys running it now, and we're getting it more and more dialed in.